din nila kundi si Sergeant Colleen, and it is an honor for me to host for my fellow reservists dahil today may kita natin yung mga talent nila. So bukod sa giting nila pagdating sa field, bukod sa lakas nila sa marksmanship, sa physical, meron din pong mga talent ang mga reservists. So with that being said, let's fill this grandstand with energy, happiness, and love! Hindi pa nagsistart and ang daming street food dito. Kwek, guys! Kape at 6:30 p.m. Good luck. Hindi na ako makatulog. Hindi na ako makatulog kasi iniisip ko din si... Peace!
Please proceed here at the grandstand because we are starting Paskuhan sa Villamor Air Base. Of course, makakasama niyo po ako. My name is Sergeant Colleen Bergonia, pero siguro mas kilala niyo ako bilang Colleen Parents, and we are here to sing and dance with our fellow Philippine Air Force Reservists. Just a small town girl, living in a lonely world.
Masaya lang talaga dito, guys. Good morning, everybody. So we're here in Soler Resort in Parañaque, the original Soler. 2 hours. Parang 9 a.m. na tayo tinawagan, and we're here hosting for another event. This is a press conference for one of the bills being passed by Senator Robin Padilla. So thank you so much, sir, your humble office, for getting me. Let's go, guys. Lumipan po tayo from Soler South, hindi North. May reklamo siya, kulang daw yung popcorn.
On behalf of the cast and crew, maraming salamat sa ating mga producer. God bless everybody.
All right, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the first birthday of Amelia. My name is Colleen Perez, and I'll be your host for this afternoon. And in light of today's occasion, may I request everybody to please stand up and give a big hand for our birthday family. Please welcome Cassie, Luna, Daddy David, Mommy Jenny, and her birthday girl, Amelia! Congratulations, you win a prize. Go win a prize, go win a prize. Go win a prize. There. She's so lost. There, get your prize there. Okay. Senior Citizen ID. Just the ID, not the senior citizen. I-check po.
verify muna natin sa Municipality of Concepcion, Tarlac muna. Tatawagan po muna namin, Tita, bakit? Joke lang. Congratulations.
Ay, gusto ko yung senior citizen ID niyo. May 3 signatures na. Pa-verify. Oh, ito. Okay, congratulations. You win a prize.
Guys, we are here at Newport and introducing to you my Santa Claus. Naka-duty kami. We are on Santa duty here at Newport City. Hi! With the jugglers. We're giving on Christmas and holiday vibes here. So that's one of the things that we do. Let's go!